Today I'll be showing you how to program and configure the roboRio. This is our roboRio. We have roboRio 2.0, and if you have the first version, there's a different way to configure it, but if you have the second version, it'll be a different way. Okay, so now we are going to image our roboRio. As I mentioned before, we have roboRio 2.0, so we're just going to go and search this up first. And since we have the second one, we'll click on this link. If you have the first one, you can click on this, and the instructions are pretty clear. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you have the FRC game tools, which is right here. You can click on that, and right here you can download from National Instruments, which is NI. And then you just go down here, download. I already have it downloaded, so that will give you your tools that you need. Now the next thing is you want to get your micro SD card out from your roboRio, and you want to image the SD card. So you can use the Raspberry Pi imager or this one, but I'm just going to use the Bellina etcher, and I recommend you guys use this too. So what you want to do is download this. I have downloaded this one, the Windows installer. Then you go on here, and after it's downloaded, you want to click on that. You want to agree to all the terms. Okay, so now we will take our micro SD card from our roboRio. You're just gonna press it and take that out right here. Now you want to make sure everything is connected, and you should power off your robot before taking it out, preferably, and then just put it into your laptop. So we're just gonna put it in our laptop. Okay, so that's plugged in. Okay, so now we're gonna go on this and click Flash from File. Now what you want to do is go on your imaging tool, roboRio imaging tool, and if you don't know which file to choose, you would click on SD right here. And it'll show you right here. It's on National Instruments LabVIEW Project roboRio, and it's on Program Files OS. So you want to do that for your own computer and find out which file to click. Over here, we already have it. So right here, I'll click this file. On FRC Images, SD cards, this file, click on that, and then open. So now we have this file right here. And then our SDHC card is the micro SD card I have in the laptop. And then we're just gonna click Flash. So we're gonna wait for that to flash and finish. Okay, so this thing prompts up. You do not want to format disk. You want to press cancel, because if you format disk, then you're going to have to re-image everything you just did. So you want to press cancel for this one. Okay, so now we have our micro SD card successfully flashed in. So next you're going to do is you're going to take out your micro SD card from your laptop and plug it back into your roboRio. Okay, so I just took out my micro SD card and I'm going to put it back into the roboRio. Now we're going to program the roboRio to get your team number. So there are two ways to do this, but first you want to make sure to turn the robot on. Okay, so the robot is now on. When you turn on your roboRio, it should show the power as green and the status should be clear. There should show a red light or orange light at first, and then it'll go away. Now if there's still the light showing and these lights aren't showing, that means you haven't imaged your micro SD card properly. You might want to try redoing it, or if you tried doing it with the Raspberry Pi, you want to try doing it with the Bellina etcher on. We have a USB cable that connects to the roboRio right here, this one, and it connects to our laptop. So after you have everything plugged in, your micro SD card is back in your roboRio, and your roboRio is connected to your computer somehow, either through Wi-Fi or through cable. So this is our Wi-Fi, but we're going to choose cable. We're going to go on to the imaging tool. So roboRio imaging tool. This all comes in with the NI FRC game tool package. Now it should show your roboRio here. This 0000 is where your team number goes in. So we want to add our team number to our roboRio, right? So we're going to click Edit Startup Settings, and then you're going to enter your team number. So mine is 8880, and then you're going to do Apply. It's going to show over here that it's configuring and it's rebooting. And then right after that, we can check it with the driver station. So we're going to open the driver station. So right now there's no communication showing, even though everything is wired correctly, electrical is done. That is because our roboRio is not yet configured. So if we go onto here, you can see the roboRio, robot, none of that's connected yet, no communication showing yet. But there you have it, communications are showing. The robot light is green. And here we have the notification that says our image was successfully updated. And that is how you image the roboRio. Now, if you have the roboRio version 1 instead of roboRio 2, what you want to do instead is just go on Format Target, click your image, and directly plug it into the USB. You don't have to do the micro SD card or any of that stuff. And that's all for the roboRio 1. And this, with the micro SD card, is how you program the roboRio 2.